The forensic audit of the Kenya Tea Development Authority will be released in February 2022. The forensic audit is expected to shed more light on the extent of mismanagement perpetrated by former directors. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya says that anyone found culpable of mismanagement at KTDA and aligned tea factories will be prosecuted.
The forensic audit will cover tea factories, 9 subsidiaries and the Kenya Tea Development Agency holdings, covering a span of 5 years. Besides unraveling the financial status of the agency, the audit will also determine the action to be taken against former directors who were fired from KTDA in June this year. The ousted former directors have mounted a major legal pushback, seeking to annul their ousters. Agriculture Cabinet Secretary Peter Munya says the reforms are aimed at protecting tea farmers and ensuring they reap the most from their yields. Munya has warned tea factories that interfere with the weighing machine in tea collection centers.
Forensicaudit ni kuhakikisha tumeelewa shida ya factory hii ni gani, ndio tuweze kurekebisha mara ya mwisho.
The government has embarked on random checks of weighing machines to ensure farmers are not ripped off by unscrupulous tea factories.
Na yote ni pesa ya nani? Ya mkulima. Hiyo pia tuna audit tujue ni gani tutafunga, ni gani tutarekebisha, cost ya KTDA pia iende chini, mkulima apate nini? Apate pesa.
Tulijua ile mashida tuko nayo ya wakulima ni mingi. Lazima tukasema we are going to be focused in serving the farmers. Na hiyo mambo yote tumefanya ni mambo ambayo mwelekeo yake ni kuhakikisha mkulima ameinuka. Tupigana na ufukara, tupigana na shida zile tuko nazo na tuweza kuinua jamii yetu.
KTDA Holdings National Chairman David Ichoho promised farmers better returns next year, saying he is committed to seeing the cartels behind tea auctions are dealt with. Reporting for Prime Edition.